Hello, my name is Doug Gardner, Supply Chain Manager for Arkansas Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Since 2023, we have been interfacing with Arkansas manufacturers and distributors to help them focus on supply chain execution. A valuable tool we have developed in unison with Vessel, who is a software development firm, is a supply chain assessment. The assessment covers 7 primary functional areas within a company to help gather data to identify executional gaps and potential threats in their supply chain. This supply chain assessment has been very well received by our clients and continues to serve as a critical role to allow us to work hand in hand with them in determining areas in their operation where improvement can be made with solutions we provide. The development of this supply chain assessment is another example of the progressive tools that Arkansas Manufacturing Solution has continued to roll out over its 30 years of assisting our state's manufacturers to become stronger and more resilient. Please contact us to explore this supply chain assessment and how it can benefit your company.